6488. Yo, Clay. Hello?
You have reached the office of Congressman John Shimkus. Our normal office hours are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from noon to 5, and Tuesday and Thursday from 7:30 to 3. Please leave your name and phone number, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please note we are off on all federal holidays. Thank you.
Hello, Representative John Schmitkus. My name is John Hart Crane, 917, and this is a plea for you to say something a little more worthwhile regarding HR 6488. I believe that is the number. I would like to point out that there was recent documentation from February 27th, 2020, done by our brothers over in India regarding the studies and the effects of 5G, but focused on 4G and 3G. 5G is going to be much greater, and the health effects they're not telling the truth about. This damning study and experiment on 3G and 4G and the health effects, it also gives preventive measures as well. So it's an amazing document, and I think people have to start becoming more informed about their mindfulness and their awareness regarding how we go forward as human beings and how our health matters and how frequencies above ground affect the immune system. Okay, always better to you. No matter what you do, be always better and keep getting smarter. Thank you so much. 6488, I think I got it right.
Congressman Shimkus' office, may I help you?
Hi, Congressman Shimka's office. This is John Hart Crane. I was calling in to voice my frustration with HR 6488.
Okay.
And I was, what do I need to do?
Just tell me your name.
Okay, John Hart Crane.
Can you spell the last name for me?
Crane.
And where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Florida right now.
Okay. I will tell the congressman you called about it.
May I ask you your name?
Deb Detmers.
Detmers. Okay, I appreciate what you do and everything that you're probably putting up with and having to deal with. I hope you know about gargling salt water, because I work in health and healing, and I just like to pass that on.
Okay, thank you.
And I would also like to point out that on February 27th, 2020, there was a damning article that came out regarding the effects of 3G and 4G, and it hasn't even touched 5G yet. But this is 20 years worth of frequency affecting people's immune systems at a molecular level. So I hope you can pass that on as well.
I will. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.